This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Apple Watch is charged and your old iPhone is on and nearby. Once done, open the Watch app on the old iPhone and tap Unpair Apple Watch. This step automatically creates a backup in iCloud so you don't lose settings. Make sure you know the Apple ID password, because unpairing removes activation lock. If the old iPhone isn't available, you'll erase the watch from settings and remove it from iCloud. Calm instead. Now move to the new iPhone. Update it to the latest iOS and sign in with your Apple ID so the backup is accessible. Hold the Apple Watch close to the phone and follow the on-screen pairing animation, then align the viewfinder. You'll see a confirmation when paired. When the iPhone asks, select Restore from Backup to transfer watch faces, settings, and app layout. This is why you unpaired first. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled so the restore completes smoothly. Finish by verifying that health, wallet, and app data are present, and re-add Apple Pay cards because payment data doesn't transfer automatically. Once paired, allow time for apps and media to resync. Check heart rate, GPS, and notifications to confirm full functionality. If something fails, try restarting both devices and retrying the restore. If activation lock prevents pairing, go to iCloud. Calm. Sign in with the old Apple ID and remove the watch from devices. Then try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.